Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make 2 poached eggs at the same time. First, let's get set up. You'll want a wide, shallow pan, which is ideal for poaching. Fill it with about 2 to 3 inches of water. Adding 1 teaspoon of white vinegar helps the egg whites set beautifully. Now, bring that water to a gentle simmer, ensuring it's not a vigorous, rolling boil. Next, let's prepare our eggs. It's crucial to crack each egg into its own small bowl or ramekin. This simple step prevents the yolk from breaking when you gently slide it into the simmering water. Also, using very fresh eggs is key. They hold their shape much better. Make sure you have a slotted spoon nearby, as you'll need it soon. Now for the poaching itself. Carefully and gently slide each egg from its bowl into the simmering water. It's important to maintain that gentle simmer. Avoid letting the water boil vigorously, as this can break up the eggs. For a perfectly runny yolk, cook your eggs for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply extend the cooking time by another 30 seconds or so. Finally, it's time to finish and serve your delicious poached eggs. Using your slotted spoon, carefully remove each egg from the water. Gently place them on a paper towel for a few seconds to drain any excess water. Immediately season your perfectly poached eggs with a pinch of salt and freshly ground pepper. Serve them right away on toast, avocado, or however you prefer to enjoy them. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.